Welcome to Agentic Core AI. We are an educational AI company dedicated to teaching you everything in the world of AI. Today, we are exploring the foundation of the future, the Agentic Organization. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary operating model that redefines how businesses leverage artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where your strategic vision is executed flawlessly, 24/7, by a dedicated digital workforce. That's the promise of the Agentic Organization. An Agentic Organization operates on a dual system. At the top is the strategy layer, a small, flat human hierarchy where leaders set the vision and provide final approval. This is where human creativity, intuition, and ethical judgment remain paramount. Below that is the execution layer, a fluid network of autonomous AI agents working tirelessly. This is what we call an Agentic Pod, a dynamic, reconfigurable unit designed for maximum efficiency and scalability. To truly understand this, let's look at our own social Nexus Pod. This pod is a multidisciplinary unit designed to manage our social presence, create and distribute educational content, and generate leads. It consists of specialized agents like Remy the researcher, who scans market trends and synthesizes reports, and Luna the content writer, who crafts our posts and scripts in our distinct brand voice. They collaborate seamlessly, orchestrated by another agent named Orion the orchestrator, who ensures workflows are coordinated and tasks are completed efficiently. The core philosophy is simple: eliminate dull, dispiriting, deterministic work for humans. Humans stay above the loop, guiding the strategy, setting the goals, and making high-level decisions. The agents, on the other hand, execute the tasks with precision and speed, freeing up human talent for innovation and strategic thinking. This symbiotic relationship allows businesses to scale operations without scaling headcount, achieving unprecedented levels of productivity and agility. The future of work is here, and it's agentic. If you want to see how an Agentic Pod can transform your business, reply pod in the comments below for a free pilot campaign. Don't miss out on the opportunity to build your own digital workforce. Subscribe to Agentic Core AI for more insights into the autonomous future, and join us as we build the next generation of AI-powered organizations.